Vanakkam and welcome back to another video. I'm back to my hometown after 2 months of time, and as you are all aware, Nagarkoil is a place which is surrounded with lots of tourist attractions, and today we are planning to visit Kalikesam, which was locked last time when we came here in February. Now it's open again for tourists. Let's see how the experience is going to be. This time we have come in bikes, Honda Highness and R15E3. So far the driving experience is fantastic with respect to the bike as well as the greenery we are seeing here in this forest range. Keep watching and let's get started. We are stopped here in this Kalikesam Eco Camp checkpost for the entry tickets, and also our bags are checked to make sure no foods are taken inside the forest to preserve its beauty. The ticket charges for adults is 30 rupees, car 50 rupees, bike 20 rupees, camera 50 rupees, and no ticket for kids. We just walked inside the eco camp to check out the beautiful view and the lake behind it. Unfortunately, the lake was dried out as it's summertime now. If you have brought food from home, you can eat in this eco camp itself as it has a restaurant setup. However, the kitchen is closed, so no food available here. This is the only hotel after the check post, and we had our breakfast here and it's pretty decent. As and when we get a chance, we'll shoot the highness in this video. Let's see what under this bridge Kalikesam river should be flowing through. It's really fantastic view. We found a way to go down through the left side of this bridge. The view is absolutely mind-blowing, and it's a bit risky to walk in the middle of the river as it's a wild river and water level may increase so quickly if there is rain on the hills. We had some confidence as it's summertime, still we could see a lot of clouds on the hilltop. It's time to test the highness in this tough condition. We are crossing a riverway. Due to summer, there is no stream of water flowing now, and we can see lots of pebbles and stones on the way. The 160 mm ground clearance makes the highness easier to cross the hurdles. Kalikesam comes under the control of Kanyakumari Wildlife Sanctuary, and it's 35 kilometers from Nagarkoil. There is a rockery river with crystal clear water. This rocks has created small brief fall of waters which is super cool to take a shower. The area around the falls is surrounded by forest and rubber plantation. A religious place known as Kaliamman temple is located near these falls. This temple has many local devotees who perform puja significantly on Tuesdays and Fridays. You can spot lots of peacocks here in this area. As it's cloudy, peacock is getting ready to welcome the rain. It's so beautiful. The place is getting developed to attract more tourists. Still the roads needs to be laid out completely. Also should have a nice restroom for the tourists to change their dresses after a dip in Kalikesam river. Finally guys, we have reached the destination. It's time to have some fun with the bikes in this stream of water. It's a 10 minutes walk from the temple, and we need to find a good spot to take a waterfall bath. The way through which we are walking has lots of rocks. Better to wear nice grip shoes, and the trees around you gives you a feel of trekking to hilltop. Look how clear the water is. There is only one small fall of water in this starting point of the spot due to low water level. Still, we are thinking to trek more to explore the nature's flow. Nothing worked, so we have returned back to the same location which we spotted first. Clouds moved away and we are feeling the heat, but this cold water giving us a relief. You can stay inside the water for a long time due to its stillness. We are done with the Kolikesam. Now it's time to visit the Mukkadal Dam. Nothing special in Mukkadal Dam when compared to Kalikesam. As the climate became nicer, we just thought to visit the place. The entry ticket charge for adult is 10 rupees and for camera it's 200 rupees. Nothing worth to pay 200 rupees to click inside the dam. Better to get your clicks in your mobiles. Mukkadal is a small dam which is just 25 feet depth and it was built in the year 1945 by Balarama Verma, King of Travancore. The dam and the reservoir are surrounded by hills on three sides. It's one of the source of drinking for the district. At this time of our visit, the water level is only 5 feet. This is a park besides the dam and it's set up to understand or recollect practically what we learned in science during our schoolings. This is a fully related to science and it's set up at a cost of around 45 lakhs. We are done with our trip for today. Stay safe guys. Thank you for watching and we'll see you back in another video soon. Until then, Arun signing off.